Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I'll be showing you a review of the items I bought from Temu. I bought with rubber wipers. So I'll be showing you this. So I'll first show you how my old car wipers behave before I put the new ones. It's basically I'll show you the before and after on this video. So this is my current old wipers, how they are behaving when I put them on. So let's see. Okay guys, so I will on my ignition so that I can test for you how my old wipers currently do. So this is my old wipers before I put those new ones. You see my old wipers are making noise and are not doing justice. So okay, let's go and put the new ones now, which is these guys right here. This is the new wipers. So guys, I want to unbox for you. I want us to unbox this thing together. I hope you can see, guys. Okay, let's go. So these are the new guys. I'm gonna put them on and you will see if they do justice. So now let's go outside and try to put them on. Okay, so here I managed to remove the clips. Or it gave me a tough time, but I managed the clip. So what you do is you remove this clip here, just so that you can remove this rubber here. So now you will be able to pull the rubber like this. Then this thing will come out. So it's a bit tough, but it's coming out. See here, they are a bit long. It means we have to use some tools to cut. We have to use some tool to cut it so that it can fit properly. So yeah guys, now it's a bit dark, but I've finished installing the wipers. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's test how these new wipers from Temu will behave. Okay, so I will start my ignition, then I'll show you the new wipers, how they're behaving. So this is the moment of truth. Okay. See, now there is no noise. Yeah, so guys, this is it from me. I just wanted to show you the wipers I bought from Temu. I will show you on the screen the items here. Cheers guys.